And the second best day of my life is today because another car with Will Benger and gear has arrived. How are you, man?
Good.
All cool? Show us what you got.
Okay, a full carload of acoustic panels, and we brought some diffusers as well.
All right, so let's get this gear inside and see how it looks and much more how it sounds. There we go! They are here! The second part of the acoustic treatment of my brand new studio. I'm here with Will Benger again. Let's see from the expert from EQ Acoustics, what are these things and what they're for?
Okay, so the ones that we're holding here, we call these the L5 tile. They are a 5 centimeter thick acoustic panel. They got this nice fabric on the front which allows the sound to pass through into the core material, which is the friendly fiber, and that absorbs the sound waves. So when we put these up on walls or ceilings, it's going to absorb the sound reflections and make it sound a lot better in here.
And the color is great. It's not the average gray color that you find somewhere. It's just kind of a chic, smart, casual gray. I like this very much. So about the internal friendly fiber,
Yeah.
What is it made from?
It's made from polyester. It's the same stuff that's used in a pillow or a duvet.
Oh, I see.
So a lot of these types of things in the past have been made from glass fiber and rock fiber, which is an itchy material. And if the fibers get out in the air, it can be a bit irritant. It's not very nice.
Probably
to
toxic
in,
as well. Yeah, if you have already had some experience building a studio and you can remember gluing up rock fiber or glass fiber, you probably know what we're talking about. If not, just keep an eye on the friendly fiber exclusive product from EQ Acoustics. And where do we install these, Will?
Okay, so we've got quite a few different panels that we're going to bring in. And once we got them in the room, we're going to make a decision about exactly where they go. But we're certainly going to need some panels on the side walls to pick up the first reflections. So that's going to be the first job.
And so as I can see, these are going to be kind of glued into the wall. How are we going to be applying these?
This backing, we call this flexi backing. It's quite similar to a carpet in a way, and that will work with hook or loop or Velcro. So once you put the panels up, if you want to take them down to decorate or you want to change the room around, it's quite easy. It's nothing permanent.
All right, so let's see the other tools and the other treatment that Will has brought today, and we'll make our decision. Stay tuned.